Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you guys basic tutorials on games. And in today's video I'm going to tell you guys how you guys can play Fortnite from your keyboard and mouse. So to do so, simply connect your keyboard and mouse to your PC device, and after you have done that you need to come up here and you need to go on settings, and after you have done that you need to come up here in mouse and keyboards, and here you can manage your mouse sensitivity and all of that stuff. After you have done all of this, you can come over to here on keyboard controls, and here you can manage your key bindings and set your keys from your keyboard to these key bindings. So move forward will be W, A, S, T, etc. So stuff like that you can firstly manage your keyboard and mouse, and after you have done all of that you'll be able to play from your keyboard and mouse in Fortnite. So that's how you do it guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also please comment down below what video you guys want us to do next, and we will simply do so. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.